साखवाळ इथल्या ज्वारी ॲग्रो केमिकल्स लिमिटेड कंपनी दुरुस्ती आणि विस्तारासाठी राज्य शासनाकडे प्रस्ताव सादर केला आहे। मात्र याला आजूबाजूच्या रहिवाशांनी तीव्र विरोध केला आहे। या पार्श्वभूमीवर वन आणि पर्यावरण खात्याने गोवा प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाला लोकांचे गाऱ्हाणे ऐकण्याची सूचना दिली होती। त्यानुसार मंडळाने सोमवारी ज्वारीनगर इथल्या जय किसान सभागृहात बैठक घेऊन जनतेची गाऱ्हाणे ऐकली।
The public hearing is that whatever we are doing, it is purely for modernization and improvement. Since this factory had come 40 years back, a lot of technological worldwide interventions have taken place, which we are going to implement. And it can be very well understood that for the same energy, for the same natural gas consumption, the production of urea will increase, and besides that, the total raw water used per day for higher capacity will come down by 2000 meter cube per day, and that water can be used by the state government to give drinking water to all living across in Vasco, Zwarinagar, Sankwal, all these areas.
Well, this is just a public hearing on environment where public have to be taken into confidence, and where transparency in the decision making process, there should be transparency as well. The ultimate decision will be taken by the Minister of Environment and Forest. Really, because this meeting has been conducted, it doesn't mean to say that they've already got an approval or the license to go ahead and expand their project. It all depends upon how the Ministry of Environment and Forest will assess the views and suggestions taken by the public and given by the public and the opposition as well towards the entire project.
दरम्यान कामाच्या दिवशीच बैठकीचं आयोजन केल्यानं काही जणांनी नाराजी व्यक्त केली। सर्व नागरिकांच्या सोयीसाठी सुट्टीच्या दिवशी बैठक घ्यावी अशी मागणी यावेळी रहिवाशांनी केली, मात्र ती न ऐकता बैठक पार पडली।
See, the Zwaris have called for a public meeting, public hearing, they say, but we were not aware of it. I'm a president of my Vidyanagar association where we have 400 families, but we are not involved being in the neighborhood. So what public hearing is this? And how can a public hearing be on a weekday? If you are really concerned about public hearing, it should have been on a holiday to enable all the public to come and meet. This is done, and that Mr. Johnson Fernandez, who is the additional collector, who is presiding officer, he is not listening. We have appealed to him. We said, sir, postpone this meeting and have it on a holiday and give wide publicity so that everybody can come. But they are not willing to listen. That means there is some hidden agenda between the Zwaris and the Pollution Control Board, which we are strongly opposing. And I appeal to the management to please cooperate with the public, get the public in confidence and go ahead with the project. Or else we, the public, will oppose tooth and nail. They are sure going to oppose this if they don't take us into confidence.